Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to extend the capabilities of your Hermes agent by implementing SuperMemory. This is the context cloud for agents, and I've got the article over here which shows you how to install them into each one of your coding harnesses. This is a custom skill or plugin that you can install into Hermes agent, which allows your AI agents to remember everything. This is a long-term memory that makes your agents smarter over time. You've got persistent long-term memory, smarter context, better results, has conversations and gathers information, and then it feeds that into SuperMemory, which captures and stores important information automatically. I've got an official tweet pulled up over here. It shows the memory usage with SuperMemory versus the RAG, and that's about a 40% reduction. To get started, all you have to do is run this one-line curl command over here. You'll copy and paste that into your terminal, and that's just going to start up the SuperMemory server. And now it's just saying your memory layer is live. This just gives us instructions over here to actually go ahead and install SuperMemory. So I've already gone ahead and installed it, but if I want to do that for the purposes of this demo, I can just do npm install SuperMemory, and now it's going to install the package over here. And then if I want to use it, I could just copy and paste this into any of my projects. And then we can come over here, we could just paste in Hermes memory setup. And from there, I'm going to select SuperMemory when prompted, and I'm going to paste in my API key. So we want to use SuperMemory instead of the built-in memory.md file. So I'm just going to select SuperMemory here, and it's going to ask for my API key, which I've already obtained inside my dashboard. So basically, you'll just need to create your account. Over here, click on Start Building. It will take you into your console or dashboard. So I'm just going to call it Hermes in this case. We can set an expiration date, and then I'm just going to create that API key. We're going to copy this and paste it in over here into Hermes agent. So now we're using the SuperMemory provider. It's activated, it's in the config file, and the API key are saved. And all I have to do now is just start a new session of Hermes in order to activate my SuperMemory. And that's just going to make my AI agent even more powerful inside Hermes agent. Hermes agent also has a desktop app as well, but it's really quite slow sometimes. So I just prefer to do everything inside the terminal. It just makes it a lot easier to get a lot of this stuff done. And I've also gone ahead and installed it into OpenCode over here as well. So OpenCode is now running on SuperMemory. They also have a Chrome extension if you wanted to install their Chrome extension. I'm not exactly sure why you would need this, but they do have that Chrome extension for SuperMemory if you want to integrate it into your browser as well. You can also configure everything from over here. So if you want to build it into different apps, you have the option to integrate it into GitHub, Slack, Sentry, all these different apps. If I wanted to do that, I could just go ahead and connect up my GitHub account, and then we can build SuperMemory directly into GitHub. And you can see it's already running, or it should be over here as well. So we can see exactly what it's doing, and we can also take a look at the graph and all that sort of stuff. It gives us a summary of the different things that it's working on over here. And it just provides a really nice interface so that you can keep track of everything that you're doing in your different coding harnesses over here. If you want to install this inside Claude Code, you simply have to paste in this plugin and then just install it inside your Claude Code. Basically the same process for Codex as well. You would just install that specific hook, and then it would have access to your SuperMemory. Same for Cursor, same for Notion, lots of different apps available to choose from. And then you can also add memories to it as well. Like let's say you have a lot of files or documents. So I've got all of my ChatGPT records. I could go ahead and import some of these if I wanted to. My transcripts, all that sort of stuff are over here, and I could just go ahead and upload those. Okay, so again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can get started completely for free, and then they also offer the paid plans starting at $19 per month. Connect up a bunch of apps, all the plugins, priority support, and all that sort of stuff. We're just going to install the plugin for Codex, the SuperMemory plugin, and then it will at least be available inside Codex, so we can go ahead and do that from the terminal over here. I will probably need to enter in my API key once again, and then I would need to authenticate with SuperMemory login. So basically I would just need to enter in this command over here, and it looks like it's already got the hook, so I can go ahead and trust that. and then we can just do the SuperMemory login. But I don't think this is going to work because I'm currently out of credits. But let's see how OpenCode is coming along over here. It looks like it was able to get the SuperMemory AI Memory SDK. So it's pulling in all of that information over here inside OpenCode. And now it says it installed SuperMemory in package.json. So that's good to go. So yeah, this is pretty powerful. It can do a lot of different things, and it's pretty easy to get started with a lot of this stuff. You can just simply come over here, connect up all of your different coding harnesses, and make sure that they're working and integrated properly, and then just start. And that's all for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also go ahead and check out my school community. We've currently got 3,000 members over here. It's free to join, so you can join, and then you can also take a look around the classroom for all of the tutorials, courses, and resources. I provide a lot of value over here, including my AI coaching program. This one is $1,900 for 6 weeks, so feel free to check that out, and then also introduce yourself inside the community tab. Would love to see you inside the school community. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial showing how to get started with SuperMemory.